Markets are here. So we're on coinmarketcap.com. So current market cap right now is currently at $147.2 billion. Current 24-hour volume is at $33.4 billion with BTC dominance at 50.1%. So definitely I've been looking at this market cap, right? Market cap pretty much been like in the $130 billion, $140 billion range. Definitely I see this market cap increasing. It been a while since I actually seen the market cap reach $150 billion, right? In the last few months. Definitely, I haven't seen that happen yet. So definitely looks like we're getting close to that. So across the board, as you can see, Bitcoin is up. It's currently trading at $4,190.78. So it's up 1.60%. But across the board, right now, it looks like everything is just jumping off. All crypto, as far as altcoins, is up as well. Is doing pretty well. Some is not doing so well as far as Tezos and Ontology, as you can see the percentages. But other than that, it seems like everything else is pretty much up. As we go to the 24-hour change as well, we got a few cryptocurrencies that's up a whole lot as far as percentage wise. We got IOST, we got ABBC coin, which is something that we're still trying to figure out what it is. I did a video on this coin. Well, not really on this coin, but definitely try to do research on it. It don't look like it's a legitimate coin, to be honest with you, but I could be wrong. So we got Doge coin up as well, 6.93% so far. Digitex futures up, and then this other cryptocurrency here. Then you got Walton chain, then you got Tron, right? So pretty much everything else is up as well, over more than 5%. Definitely, those are good percentage gains throughout the day. But let's look at this chart for IOST. Looks like the jump off with this cryptocurrency happened today, as we can see here, which was April 1st. It looks like it just started go on a nice bull run here. A lot of buyers started coming in at this price here at 0.009927, and now the current price is at pretty much at 1 cent, right? 0.11924. So as we look at the percentage gain from that standpoint, to it's pretty much as high of about 0.12473. It looks like it climbed up to about, probably can't see it there, but I see it as 2.564%. So definitely those are big gains in one day. So as you can see here, some people are taking profits. That's why you see this red candlestick with these sellers, pretty much selling based on their getting it early at this price point here, right? So that's IOST. Then we got Walton coin here. So let me move this out of here. So Walton coin, or Walton, what was it? Walton chain. Yeah, Walton chain. So been a minute for Walton, right? So it looks like Walton is definitely starting to pick back up again. I definitely been watching Walton ever since they had the ICOs, about a year and a half ago. So the price was definitely a lot higher than what we're currently seeing now, which is at $1.89. So as far as today, as we go to the hour charts here. So today, see if we can find March. So it looks like it actually been climbing up since the 25th of March here. So definitely been pretty much on a nice, strong, uptrend here. But it seems like it kept going, and looks like it definitely increased some more here, as we can see. So April 1st is about here. So let me get the percentage rule stake out here. So April 1st. So it jumped up about, say about 12.33% on today as its high point that I can see, or a little bit higher, probably at 15% there. But yeah, definitely at the end of March, this uptrend started increasing with Walton. So it seems like it was low at $1.20, and it's at pretty much got as high as about $2.04, which is pretty much this all-time high for for a while, right? A long time. So definitely keep my eyes on Walton chain there. Then believe it or not, we got Doge in the building here. Doge coin definitely performing good so far today. It's been at these stagnant at these low prices here. definitely seen some buyers starting to come in with Dogecoin, and definitely it is up a huge amount as far as percentage wise because this cryptocurrency is cheap, right? It's not even 1 cent, so it's a lot lower than that. So it's currently at, before the spike here, is at 0.00209521, and looks like the big gain here for Dogecoin was at about 28.41% on the day. So it looks like that was his highest, which his highest point at about 0.00268503. So definitely Dogecoin definitely performed good as well today. And last but not least, we got Tron. So Tron actually performed very, very well today, despite all the stuff that's going around with Justin Sun. Definitely he got called out about it, what he did. So definitely he owned up to it. So that's why I still like Tron as a project. Justin Sun definitely, his way of doing things online, and as far as like marketing, he's a marketer. I don't know a lot of people. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but deep down he's a marketer. But he definitely caught a lot of heat over the last couple of days about the with the raffle with the car and things like that. But the reason why I still respect him is because he actually owned up to it. So at the end of the day, he owned up to it. Instead of him giving away one Tesla, which that was the raffle was all about the person winning pretty much a Tesla car. He actually doing two now, so he giving away two Tesla cars. So anybody who could own up to their mistakes and definitely always gonna have my respect. So as long as he owned up to it, but if he didn't own up to it, definitely I would have been just like the rest of the community, pretty much anti Justin Sun. But that's not the case, and it looks like Tron is definitely performing well over the last 24 hours. It's up, so it's at 0.02413, and it jumped to its highs about, I want to say about 9%, 8.51%. So definitely Tron did pretty well on its gain today. So it might stay steady here, or people might just take their profits and it might drop down. So that's pretty much the top four as far as the top 100 cryptocurrencies that we all know about. For the most part, Dogecoin's ranked 26, IOST is ranked 47, then Walton chain is 73, and then Tron is pretty much ranked 11th there. So these cryptocurrencies are well known. Definitely do your homework and your own due diligence. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys what's going on in the markets today. Crypto seems like it's starting to heat up some more. Very anxious to see if this market cap could hit $150 billion. Definitely we'll have a good look, right? Let's just say it like that. Definitely things will start to play out hopefully throughout the rest of the year. Hopefully this market cap keep increasing, right? So with that said, markets are, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. I'm out, guys.